guys, welcome to Gardening with Friends. Today we are going to create new flower bed next to this beautiful garage. And first we're going to clean up the stump and start our flower bed from this actually beautiful stump, and we'll incorporate it into the bed. We cleaned up the stump, it looks quite nice, and that's how we envision the bed. We incorporating few boxwoods and perennials.
End of season sale is always a fantastic opportunity to load up on plants and plant them under ideal fall conditions.
It's always handy to have a rope or something to outline the bed before we start working on that. Let's get to work. And aren't we lucky? Look who we have today, who is definitely gonna help us to create this flower bed. And so far is busy with tennis ball. Also widow tears, look at that strong root system. They're so resilient. I mean, some people like it, of course. I do too when they bloom, but they spread like crazy. So I'm gonna get rid of it here in this flower bed. It's actually started raining. I can see it, so we might need to take a few. The rain is over, so we'll finish edging of our new flower bed now. Marcus is showing up here to check on my work again. Hi, Marcus. So now we're just gonna remove a little bit of soil. Marcus is here to inspect edging in the flower bed. What do you think, Marcus? Oh, I think he found something to improve upon. Edging is all done. Marcus has inspected it. Of course, we have a bunch of roots from this huge stump over here. And it's going to be a lot of work to take it out. So we're just going to let the nature take its course. It's going to do our planting around those roots. Some of the roots also got on the way of our aging. Hey guys, I think our flower bed is ready and we're about to start planting. And I couldn't resist. I stopped by yesterday at the store again and I caught final season sale 75% off. So I got another couple of plants. The only thing, we might need to take care of some of the roots. I know I told you we're going to leave it, but it may be getting on the way too much, so we'll see. And where is this beautiful creature? And Marcus is here to supervise, of course. Let's see if we can get a couple of roots out of the way. I give up using hand tool and see if I can use this power tool to help to remove the root. enough, there was a rock that roots of this tree embraced, and that's of course I bumped into. Honestly, you guys, I think I was super naive. I thought I can plant something in between these gigantic roots of this former gigantic tree, but it doesn't look like that. Let me see what else I can remove with my reciprocating saw and then plant. Slowly but surely getting there. Guess we'll just remove the sun and we'll be done.
Quite a few roots were removed from this flower bed.
Eventually I managed to remove few large pieces of roots of this former gigantic tree. Obviously I seriously underestimated the effort that needs to go in here. Initially I thought we're gonna leave it as is and let nature take its course, but it's just with no space to plant. So now hopefully we have some space and we can go in between roots. So let's get to work. That's our suggestion for this flower bed.
And on this side of the stump, there is no space for flower bed, it's all roots. But I wanted to break it since we can do formal flower bed, and I just want to dig into the roots so we can plant one more nice bush here. Oof. I don't know about you guys, I would call it extreme gardening. But I think we made enough, deep enough space for the plant to put. Little pop of color with this bright lemony leaves Caryopteris. We couldn't plant anything here because of the extensive root system. Planting is all done and it looks pretty good. Seems like Marcus really liked the ornamental grass we planted here. To finish the flower bed off, I'm gonna plant a few bulbs so we can have nice colors early spring to late spring. And off we go. I'm just gonna use simple planter. I scattered bulbs all over the flower bed so I can see whether and how I can quickly plant them. Hey Marcus, don't steal our bulbs we're planting. Oh my god, Marcus, what are you doing? Feels like Marcus is really enjoying your flower bed. Seems like it's his new playground. on our final step. Previously we removed all weeds from this flower bed, and now we're gonna cover it with newspaper to prevent future weed growth, hopefully, or to slow it down, and finish it with mulch. First we'll wet newspapers to make it easy. I ran out of newspaper and paper, but I think it looks pretty decent, so we're ready to mulch and be done. Mulch is on, and we finished the flower bed.